What's up guys, welcome to another video. And in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can download or install CapCut on your PC or your laptop. This is very simple. So the first step is you're gonna have to open your browser. You can use any browser for this, so you're gonna have to open your browser. I'm gonna be using the Google Chrome for this. So open your browser and just search for CapCut. Search for CapCut and you can go to the site and just type in capcut.com, or you can just search from CapCut, and this is the website. You just click on it and this is the official website for CapCut. So the next step, as you can see right here, the next step is just click on download for Windows. It's very easy. Click on download for Windows and it's gonna pop up right here and start downloading. But I've already downloaded this on my PC, my laptop, so the next step for me is install. So after it's downloaded on your laptop, your PC, so you're gonna have to click on it, and when you click on it you're gonna have to install. Follow the process and install, and when that is done, the next step is just open the app. This is it. I've already installed this on my laptop, so I'm gonna click on start now. Just wait for it to load. For those of you that doesn't know what this app is about, you can make videos. With this app you can edit your photos, just edit videos with this app, add music, audio to your video or even a picture. So you can do very cool stuff with this app, edit videos for your TikTok. You can edit pictures for your Instagram. So with this app you can do so much with this app, so much cool stuff with this app, edit your friends pictures, videos and stuff like that. So right here, as you can see, right here, your computer can run CapCut smoothly. So just confirm. It's easy. Just wait for it to load. Again, this is the official website for CapCut. Make sure you go to the official website to download the app. So this is the app. It's already downloaded on my laptop. So as you can see right here, the next step, what you're gonna have to do is, as you can see right here, it says project edited will be saved automatically. So any picture you edit, videos you edit, is gonna be saved automatically. So you can start creating your own videos. It's very easy. As you can see right here, start creating. So this is very easy, guys. You can do so much with this app. So thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel and share this video and support my channel, and please click on the notification button, and thank you for watching.